Place
This
to get
is
cheap
not the
deals is
Maldives. This island is in Africa, and it's much more affordable. It's Zanzibar in Tanzania. And when you visit here, you should go to Nakupenda. It's an incredible sand strip in the middle of the ocean. You should go on a sunset dhow cruise. You'll get an amazing sunset view while eating fresh fruit on a traditional Arabian boat. In Zanzibar, you can visit a turtle sanctuary. This is a natural lagoon where you can swim and feed turtles. In Zanzibar, you can find unique restaurants. Like this one, it's called The Rock. It's in the middle of the ocean and the food is A1. You can visit Nungwe Beach. This is an amazing beach where you can ride a water bike. In Zanzibar, you can visit Prison Island. This is where you'll find a giant tortoise sanctuary. You can feed a 150-year-old tortoise. You should meet the Maasai tribe. They are one of the oldest African tribes in the world. You can go on a safari blue tour, so you can visit Manai Bay, which is one of the best coral reefs in Zanzibar. You can stay in an amazing hotel like this one. It's called Bamboo Zanzibar. It's on average $195 a night. When you're in Zanzibar, you have to go on a Stone Town tour. This is one of the oldest parts of Zanzibar, and this is where you can learn the history and culture of Zanzibar. Now I see why everybody's running to Zanzibar. Comment below if you would visit here.